Within 1 minute, I will show you how to create realistic hairy fur on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Delete the squares, Shift A, Mesh, and choose Sphere. Subdivide the topology. Go to Physical and choose Hair. Adjust the number and hair length. On the children, choose Interpolate. Shift A, Force Field, and I will choose Turbulence. If you move the turbulence point like this, the wind will be blown. And the higher the strength of the turbulence, the bigger the wind is, vice versa. Now I will put a keyframe on the turbulence. And then you can put the color on the hair and the HDRI for the background. And for the render setting, I will choose cycles and render it on PNG. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!